Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you very much for tuning in. This is a screencast-o-matic tutorial that's meant to help you out with the final section for the lesson on Southeast Asia. Just so you are aware, this final part of the lesson caused a little bit of confusion, so I want to walk you through it and explain to you how to do it more clearly. So if you follow this presentation, you should be best served. Basically, this part of the lesson has you guys looking at several definitions covered both within the lesson on Southeast Asia and then also on Thailand, to put in the correct part of the chart that coincides with the definition, the key term, and the image. So please listen carefully as I'm going to give you all parts that you need for you. So let's just go ahead through these definitions and give you guys some clarity on what they are, and then we'll talk about the images right here. So let's start off right up here. Religion founded by Muhammad, believers follow the teachings of the Quran and the 5 pillars. So if you remember what this is actually Islam. And we can make that a different color too for people to see. Religion founded by Siddhartha Gautama, believers follow the Noble Eightfold Path to find enlightenment. If you remember from the China unit, this is Buddhism. Okay, so far we have 2 terms done. Religion focused on prayer, worship of supernatural gods and goddesses, believers follow the Veda scripts. This is a religion we're going to get into later this week. This is actually Hinduism. A body of land surrounded by water on all sides. Many of these comprise Southeast Asia, so I believe this would be an island. And of course, you can imagine why this is a key term for Indonesia. A very large expanse of water that can be subdivided into many seas, so I believe this would be ocean. And just to make sure, that should be one of the words down here. Yes, it is. Perfect. Okay, next. A ridge of rock in the sea formed by the growth of and deposit of colorful, hard stony substances. That is coral reef. So, there we go. Now are strips of relatively low ground between the sea and the cliffs leading to a plateau. This, I think, would be a coastal lowland. A luxuriant, dense area of greenery, rich in biodiversity, found in tropical areas. So I believe this would be, let me just double check, rainforest. So let's put that here. Okay. A mountain or hill, typically conical, having a crater or vent through which lava, rock fragments, and other hot vapor has been erupted from. This would be a volcano. A principal administrative division of a certain country or empire. This would be province. Term of or relating to the earliest native inhabitants of a particular region. This would be indigenous. The official language of Indonesia, so this would be Bahasa. The basic unit of money or currency in Indonesia, I believe this would be rupiah. Let me just double check on the spelling. There you go. National dress of Indonesia, light and loose tunic worn by women. So this would be kebaya. Term for the type of people who establish formal government economy of a country and country. So I believe this might be kingdom. Period of time after World War II where many Indonesian people wanted self-governance. This would be the independence, or maybe independence movement. Period of time when foreign powers actively controlled Indonesia and profited from trade and markets. I do believe this would be European settlements. Period of time after independence when Sukarno and Suharto ruled, consolidating all their power and control. So this would be dictatorship. Okay. Term that defines Indonesia's relationships with other countries around the world. This would be diplomacy. Key industry that is vital for Southeast Asia, involving visitors and recreation and entertainment. So this would be tourism. There we go. A special building devoted to worship. Many of these can be found in areas across Indonesia. This would be temple. Special tiered lands that have been carved into the hills that produce a crop that is key for staple food in Asia. This would be rice terraces. Okay, so there we are. A dish of pieces of meat, vegetables, roasted and grilled, often eaten off of a stick. This is a kebab, which is really popular in Indonesia. A dish of meat, vegetables, cooked in Indonesian style sauce with spices. This would be curry. And I believe we have one more down here. A day or period of celebration typically around religious or cultural commemoration. So this would be festival. Okay, so obviously your task here is to copy-paste those definitions that we just labeled here and designated for you into the correct corresponding spots. So you're going to copy-paste them into this column right here. Let's talk about images and try to place them accordingly. Island should be this one right here. Volcano should be this one right here. Oceans should be this one right here. Rainforests should be, let's find it, this one right here. Coastal lowlands. Let's try to find coastal lowlands. I believe it's this picture right here. Coral reefs. I think I just saw that one right here. Provinces. Okay, so these are all the provinces of Indonesia right here. You can use your Control+ key to zoom in and see them for yourself. Buddhism. I believe it's in the top row here. And I think this one is Buddhism. So let's copy paste that one. Hinduism is this one right here. So let's copy paste that one, move it down here. Islam is next. Islam is right here. Indigenous. Okay, let's find indigenous next. Indigenous would be, I think, this picture right here. So let's copy paste that one down here. And then a rupiah is the currency in Indonesia, which can be found right here. So let's copy paste that and move it down here. Bahasa as a language, let's try to find that. Okay. It's right here, the person talking. So let's copy paste that down here. Kingdom should be 14. And I believe that would be the kingdom seal, like here. You can see by the crown. So let's go ahead and move that down here. European settlements. Okay, so let's try to find this. These are all the European countries who colonized Southeast Asia. So we're going to copy paste that, move it down here. Independence movement. You see a bunch of Indonesian people rallying for their independence by holding these types of flags and demonstrations. Let's copy paste that, move that one down here. A dictatorship would be this clip art imagery right here. If you can see more clearly when you zoom in. Diplomacy should be this picture right here, which is, of course, people getting around the world for good, healthy international relations. Okay, just a few more left, guys. Kabaya is a picture that looks like this. So let's copy paste that. A kebab is a delicacy that looks like this. So let's copy paste that, move it right here. Curry is a picture that looks like this. We're going to copy paste that and move it right here. Rice terraces is a picture that looks like this. We're going to copy paste that and move it right here. Tourism is a picture that looks like this. Unfortunately, got a little bit cut off. It's the picture with the plane and the travelers. We're going to put that one right here. Temples should be easy for us to find as we're dwindling down the field here. Right here are some Indonesian temples in clip art version. And then festivals. Festivals, of course, are located right here. If you zoom in, you'll see that more clearly. We're going to copy paste that and move that down here. So as you guys can see, those are all the corresponding definitions that you're going to have to copy paste into the correct column, and all the corresponding images that correspond to all the key terms as well. Hopefully you found this to be very helpful, and hopefully you found this to be very assistive in your attempts to get this finished. Remember, when you are fully finished, please remember to submit accordingly on Google Classroom. Thank you very much for tuning in.